welcome to my channel. If you're looking to get fit, improve your health, and transform your body, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into some key fitness tips and routines that can help you build strength and achieve your goals. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your fitness, stay tuned and let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss any updates on health and fitness. Let's do this together. What do you think? Who will have the best body? The first person who works out 3 hours a day, but only 3 days a week? Or the second person who works out 5 days a week, but only for 2 hours? And the third person only works out for half an hour, but he works out every single day of the week? So which one will have the best body? You'll be surprised to know that the answer is number 3, the person who works out every day for just 30 minutes. The reason is that he is giving his body a shock every day, which leads to faster muscle growth. But most people do the opposite. They work out for 2 or 3 days, or maybe 4 days a week, and think their body will build up just like that. This is one of the common mistakes that prevent muscle growth. A lot of people make a big mistake by joining the gym right away when they're beginners. But you need to keep in mind that if your body strength is not good, you won't experience much muscle growth. Related to this, our first tip is to increase strength in body movements. What I mean is basic movements like walking, standing, sitting, and lifting your body weight should be done correctly. If you can't do 10 to 15 pull-ups in a single go, that means your body isn't strong enough to support muscle growth. If you can't do 20 to 25 push-ups at once, it means you need to improve your strength. If you work out but your body is weak, muscle growth won't happen. So always focus on strengthening your basic body movements. Do more push-ups, do more pull-ups, and try to do more squats. The more you improve on these, the faster muscle growth will occur. After that, you can go for heavy workouts in the gym, and you'll notice muscle growth happening quickly. Next, let's talk about tip number 2. Use light weights. I've mentioned in several videos that you need to lift heavy weights for muscle growth, but a lot of people think that as soon as they join the gym, they should immediately start lifting heavy weights. That's not how it works. If you're a beginner, here's a good tip for you. Start with light weights and do more repetitions. The more repetitions you do, the more your muscles will grow. Avoid doing fewer repetitions with heavy weights. Start with light weights and increase the reps. As time passes and your body gets used to it, you can gradually increase the weight, and you'll see muscle growth at a faster pace. Also, one more thing. Joint mobility is very important for increasing muscle growth. Flexi Move can help with that. Many of you, especially people over 40, may have joint-related issues, or some might have issues with physical mobility. A lot of people do physical activities like running, weight training, or cardio, which involves a lot of joint movement, and they can use Flexi Move to improve joint mobility. Flexi Move contains glucosamine, which is crucial for healthy ligaments and tendons. It also helps in replenishing your cartilage and supporting normal joint functions. It also contains boswellia and sodium hyaluronate, which enhance overall joint and cartilage health. You can take 1 or 2 tablets of Flexi Move after meals. Whether you're a man or a woman, both can use it for better results. For best results, use it for at least 90 days. Moving on to the next tip, which is important. Don't overwork yourself. Your workout time should be between 45 minutes to 60 minutes. This is especially for people who are doing heavy workouts in the gym. But if you're working out at home or doing light workouts in the gym, you'll need to increase your workout time to see muscle growth. When you do light workouts at home or at the gym, you need to work out for an hour to an hour and a half to see growth. Because when you lift lighter weights and do more repetitions, your muscles will break. And as the body repairs them, muscle growth will occur. After finishing your workout, always make sure your diet is good. Within 10 to 15 minutes after working out, you need to have a good diet that includes a decent amount of carbohydrates and protein. Only when you get the right nutrition will muscle growth happen. Otherwise, you can work out all you want, but you won't see any muscle growth. Now let's talk about the next tip. As I've told you before, it's essential to follow a workout plan. The best workout plan to follow is called push, pull, legs workout. I've mentioned before that push muscles are the ones that push, pull muscles are those that pull, and leg muscles are obviously your legs. If you follow the push-pull legs routine, it will increase overall body strength and muscle growth. Now that you've learned about fitness routines and some common mistakes, remember to stay consistent and smart with your workouts for the best results. Found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my latest updates on health and fitness. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do it now. I'll be sharing more tips and routines to help you achieve your fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.